Improve your efficiency by using the Brady List feature. Printing entire label lists from Brady's BMP61 printer is a snap. No need to create individual labels. This option lets you store lists and merge them onto labels to print all the labels for one job at once. Here's how easy it is to get started. There are two methods to using lists: simple and advanced. The entire process for both is nearly the same. First, save your list as a CSV file on your computer. Then save that file to a portable USB drive. In this example, we will save a CSV file from Microsoft Excel. Make sure that your BMP61 printer is turned on. Plug in the USB drive that holds the desired files, then press the List button. And then select the Merge option. Next, select the External option, since you're importing the list from an external USB drive. Select the desired file from the list. Check the top right corner of the screen. Notice that there is one area and one of 12 labels shown. Press the Next Label button to scroll through all the labels to check for the correct content. Then, hit Print. All of the labels in the list will print out at once. To make an advanced list, go through the same steps of turning on your printer and plugging in the USB drive. After you press the List button, select the Advanced Merge button this time. Then select the External option. The difference between simple and advanced lists is that the advanced list lets you rearrange the order of your columns. On the next screen, you will have the ability to choose which column you want in each printable area. Select the correct orientation and notice that the default has the columns listed in alphanumerical order of the columns. Now, check the top right corner of the screen and notice that in this case, it will say one of 2 areas and one of 12 labels is shown. When you're ready, hit Print.